हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, सुयश कोचिंग क्लासेसच्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये मी वैभवी विनोद चव्हाण तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत करते. स्टुडंट्स, आपण लास्ट टाइम पाहिला होता डोबेरायनर्स लॉ ऑफ ट्रायड आणि आपण आहोत पिरियडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स या प्रकरणामध्ये. दिस इज द सेकंड चॅप्टर फ्रॉम सायन्स 1. आपण पाहिला होता डोबेरायनर्स लॉ ऑफ ट्रायड. व्हॉट वॉज द डोबेरायनर्स लॉ ऑफ ट्रायड? डू यू रिमेंबर? तुम्हाला आठवतोय का? काय केलं होतं बरं डोबेरायनरने? He made a group of 3 elements, each having similar chemical properties and called them triad. त्याने काय केलं होतं? 3 एलिमेंट्सचे ग्रुप केले होते आणि त्यांना काय म्हणाला तो? He called them as a triad. So he found that the atomic mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic mass of the other 2 elements. His first example was lithium, sodium and potassium. Okay. Then I have given you a homework. मी तुम्हाला होमवर्क दिला होता. You have to identify which is Dobereiner triad आणि मला माहिती तुम्ही केला असणार आहे होमवर्क. Okay. So today we are going to see the second law, that is called as Newland's law of octaves. Dobereiner's law is not followed by all the elements. It was not applicable for all the elements. So there was another scientist. His name was John Newlands. So he formulated another law that is called as Newland's law of octaves. You all are aware of there are mainly 7 notes in our Indian music system. आपल्या भारतीय संगीतामध्ये 7 स्वर आहेत. That are सा, रे, ग, म, प, ध, नि, सा. So it is called as collection of 7 notes, that is called as saptak. So the frequency of the note goes on increasing from sa to ni. Okay. In the same way, there are 7 notes in Western music also. They are do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. So according to these, based on this, Newlands formulated the law that is called as Newland's law of octave. Okay. What he does, he arranged the elements known at that time in the increasing order of atomic masses. Okay, and he found that the every 8th element had properties similar to that of the first. त्याने काय केलं? He arranged the elements according to increasing order of atomic masses. Atomic masses च्या increasing order नुसार त्याने elements ला arrange केलं आणि त्याला काय आढळलं? He found that atomic mass he found that properties of every 8th element were similar to the properties of the first element. For example, sodium is the 8th element from lithium and both are having same properties. Also magnesium and beryllium have same properties. Okay, so we will see the table of Newland's law of octaves. So this is a table of Newland's. So here first element is hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum. In this way, the first element is lithium. If we start from lithium, and 8th element is sodium. If we start from sodium, the 8th element is potassium. So lithium, sodium and potassium, these are having same properties. So where we have seen this is a Dobereiner's triad. हे Dobereiner's triad, this is an example of Dobereiner's triad. Lithium, sodium and potassium. And these elements are having same properties. त्यांचे properties कशा आहेत? Same आहेत. Okay. So did you understood the Newland's law of octave? So काय म्हणतोय तो पुन्हा एकदा बघा. Newland arranged the elements known at that time in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He found that every 8th element had properties similar to that of the first. 8th element आणि first element चे properties कसे असणार आहे? Same असणार आहे. ओके. सो बघा, न्यूलँडचा लॉ पण काही सर्व एलिमेंट्स साठी ऍप्लिकेबल झाला नाही. दिस लॉ वॉज नॉट ऍप्लिकेबल फॉर all the elements. So there were some limitations we are going to see. So first limitation of Newland was this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. हा लॉ फक्त कॅल्शियम पर्यंतच्याच इलेमेंटसाठी ॲप्लिकेबल होत होता. ओके. आणि न्यूलँड्सने काय केलं, आपण त्या टेबल्समध्ये पाहतोय की ही अरेंज द इलेमेंट्स इंटू 7 इंटू 8 दॅट is into 56 boxes. So sometimes he has to place two elements each in the same boxes. त्याला एका बॉक्समध्ये दोन इलेमेंट्सला पण प्लेस करावं लागलं. He placed two elements in the same boxes. For example, he arranged cobalt and nickel in a same box, cerium and lanthanum in the same box. Okay. One more problem was there. He placed some elements with different properties under the same node in the active. The elements property different होते, but they were arranged in a same node. For example, Newlands placed cobalt and nickel under same node do. Okay, but sometimes he arranged the elements which are having same properties far away. For example, cobalt and nickel they were away from them, but they were having similar properties. Okay. And the Newlands octaves did not have provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. New elements जे फाइंड आउट होणार आहे, न्यू एलिमेंटचा जो शोध लागणार आहे, त्या एलिमेंटसाठी त्याच्या टेबलमध्ये देर वॉज नो प्लेस फॉर द न्यू एलिमेंट्स. न्यूलँड्स ऑक्टेव डिड नॉट हॅव provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. And again, one more problem was there. The properties of new elements discovered later on did not fit in the Newlands law of octaves. जे न्यू एलिमेंट्स नंतर डिस्कवर झाले त्यांचे प्रॉपर्टीज they were not fitted in the Newlands law of octaves. Okay, so these are the limitations of Newlands law of octave. So what are the limitations? See, first limitation is this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. He arranged 56 elements. He arranged the elements into 56 boxes. Sometimes he has to place two elements in the same box. Okay. He tried to arrange all elements known at that time, but sometimes cobalt and nickel they were arranged in the same box. Okay. Then he placed some elements with different properties under the same node. The elements which are having different properties they were arranged in a same node. Okay. Again, the elements which are having same properties they were away from each other. And next problem was he did not have provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. Last problem was the properties of new element discovered later on did not fit in the Newlands law of octaves. So students, तुम्हाला या टॉपिकवर काय क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जातील? व्हॉट क्वेश्चन्स मे बी आस्क? राईट न्यूलँड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स. न्यूलँड्सचा दिस इज फॉर युअर होमवर्क ऑल्सो. राईट न्यूलँड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स. न्यूलँड्स लॉ लिहायचा आहे. देन यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द लिमिटेशन्स ऑफ न्यूलँड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स. तुम्हाला न्यूलँडच्या लॉचे जे लिमिटेशन्स आहेत ते पण लिहायचे आहेत. सो समजलं आहे तुम्हाला आजच्या पुरतं. थँक्यू.